Hey Brooke, I'm just taking a look at your logo design. Um, let's see, edit our borders. That's 3 by 3. CMYK color, that looks good. I think this one's the same. Oops. Yep, so you're got it set up correctly. Let's take a look at the actual contents. I did notice, well, your text is outlined, but I did notice that it has a white background. It just needs to be deleted, with the white arrow tool, and then maybe brought back where it was. I don't know exactly where it was, and then here the same thing is happening. And you can see that in your JPEG file that there's a white background on it on both of those. And if you did delete that and re-exported, you wouldn't get this white background on the you'd still get a white background, but it would be square, the shape of your artboard instead of the shape of the background of this image. And I'm not quite sure how that ended up happening. If I do release mask, I can see a little bit more here, and then I can delete the white background with the white arrow tool. I'm not quite sure what happened there to cause that, but anyway, it does look, I do like the design. It's pretty simple, but I do think, I think it actually looks pretty good. It would have maybe been nice if these were maybe not quite so close, possibly. Just bumping those up a little bit. That might have been my mistake with when I moved it off and back. Maybe a little bit more refinement in the horn shape, but I do think that you probably created the horns maybe with the pencil tool or paintbrush tool. So for a first logo, and decent font pair as well. So I think you did pretty well. You named your files correctly. You set them up correctly. Your JPEGs look good. They were in CMYK color mode and they were high res. So really no issues there. Other than maybe a bit more refinement on these horns, and the white background in the files were a bit problematic. Other than that, though, everything else looked really good, so good work.